no bail for Aryan Khan. The hearing will resume at noon tomorrow. Aryan Khan, the son of Shah Rukh Khan, is going to spend yet another night at the Arthur Road jail in Mumbai. My colleagues Sohit Mishra and Rohit Khilnani join me live from Mumbai at the moment with all the very latest. Sohit, to you first, what more can you tell us? What happened in court? We know that both sides, have put up their arguments. In fact, the lawyers of all of the accused put up arguments, and Aryan Khan's lawyer even questioned the grounds on which he is being held because there were no drugs or money that was found on his person.
Well, that's right. In fact, Rishika, the hearing was supposed to start at 11 in the morning, where the NCB was supposed to first give its reply, and then the bail application hearing would have started. But however, it started post 2:30 p.m. And yes, Amit Desai, who represented Aryan Khan, said that the entire case is about possession, consumption as well as selling of drugs. But neither of this was present with Aryan Khan, and that is exactly what he kept on repeating in his throughout his appeal, and he kept on saying that this is all being done in which Aryan Khan's friends were involved. One of his friends who was with him, Arbaz Merchant, there was 6 grams of charas that was found with him. He was possessing that, but Aryan Khan wasn't possessing anything. So why is he inside jail? However, the hearing did not complete today. On the other hand, while the NCB was speaking, the NCB lawyers were speaking, they said that Aryan Khan had an idea that his friend has this 6 grams of charas with him, and Aryan Khan will also consume this. So this is the allegation that they have kept. In fact, apart from that, the same thing which they have been saying, that there were WhatsApp chats found, there were international people who were with whom they were speaking and talking about drugs. This is for all the accused in this case, and this was the very court in which this entire hearing happened. So if we speak about Amit Desai, he spoke for 1.5 hours, after which the lawyers of the other accused too spoke about it. But since it was already 5:30 p.m, the hearing could not be completed, and the hearing will now happen on Thursday at 12 p.m. So what we can say, as you said rightly, that at least for one more night Aryan Khan will have to stay in jail. What happens tomorrow will be very important to see, because even today all the lawyers were present. They brought each and everything. In fact, the reply that was filed by the NCB, they argued heavily on that, on how there are several allegations being laid not only on Aryan Khan but also on other people, whereas in fact nothing, as you said as well, that nothing was found in possession with Aryan Khan. He had no money even to buy these drugs. So that is exactly what he is saying. The lawyers are saying that Aryan Khan had no drugs, he did not have money to buy these drugs, and he was invited in this cruise ship. It was not like that he purchased a ticket to go over there. So all these arguments happen in the court, but due to since it was late, now the argument will happen again on Thursday, and it would be Thursday would be in fact a very important day in this case, because the lawyers of the accused have kept their point, and the lawyers of the NCB are now speaking on this. What else do they present? Because even today they brought some WhatsApp chats. It wasn't revealed to us, but they presented it to the judge, and they said that they are trying to find a big connection in this, in which there are chats in which they can say that someone is trying to get a bulk quantity of hard drugs. However, they did not say that whose chat it is. So that is also a big question mark, that what happens in this. And Thursday would be a very important day for the entire Aryan Khan case.